and welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, let us see some amazing zoo animals today. This is a lion. This is a tiger. This is an elephant. This is a giraffe. This is a zebra. This is a monkey. This is a gorilla. This is a panda. This is a hippopotamus. This is a rhinoceros. This is a kangaroo. This is a meerkat. This is orangutan. This is flamingo. This is peacock. This is cheetah. This is leopard. This is hyena. This is polar bear. This is penguin. This is alligator. This is crocodile. This is otter. This is bison. This is buffalo. This is camel. This is chimpanzee. This is sloth. This is red panda. This is tapir. This is vulture. This is a wolf. This is warthog. This is snake. is tortoise. This is pelican. This is llama. This is raccoon. This is porcupine. This is emu. This is wallaby. This is armadillo. This is antelope. This is beaver. This is ibex. This is marmoset. This is okapi. This is serval. This is lemur. This is a tamarin. Amazing! So we learned so many animals who live in zoos worldwide. Thank you for learning with us, friends. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun entertainment.